Hey everyone, this is Luca, Ms. Janelle Notice's assistant, and we are doing home crafts at the DeSoto Public Library at your house. And today we have another home craft. Hopefully y'all like creepy crawling things because we're making something like that today. Alright, let's get started. And today's creepy crawly craft is a bug craft. It's a bug. And this bug's name is Kevin. Kevin is a small shelled bug that has like green antenna and yellow legs and a purple body and green head or hair. But yeah, this is Kevin. Oh, and he also has googly eyes, so here's that too. So he can, when he walks, his eyes just look everywhere. He never knows where he's going. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. For materials, we're gonna need an egg carton, a push pin. You get your parents' help when you use this push pin. Uh, some pipe cleaners. Just ignore this string. And some scissors. You're also going to need markers, any color. Oh, and most importantly, googly eyes. And if you don't have any googly eyes, I can show you how to draw them on. Okay, so first off, we're just going to show you how to cut one of these. You need your scissors, and just go ahead and cut across. If you're having trouble doing this, get your parents' help or older sibling, brother, grandparents. Yeah, so that's good right there. Just cut it here. Gonna get this side. And yeah, now you have your little like shell, bug shell. Alright. After that, you're gonna want to mark where you want to put the antennas with the push pin. So I'm gonna just show you how to make the holes real quick. Just grab a push pin and push it in like that. Be careful not to prick yourself. I would get like your parents' help with that. And just make the holes wide enough for the pipe cleaners to go through. And we're going to move on. Here's one already worked on. I already got the holes and everything set where we need to get them set. And we are going to decorate it. Ken was purple, so we're going to make this one not purple. Yeah, like here's blue. So we're just going to blue real quick. So yeah, this is a good stopping point. After that, you're gonna want to add the eyes. So where? Oh yeah, googly eyes. So I'm gonna take one off like that, and I'm gonna put it right here. And luckily it sticked. Fun fact: if it doesn't stick, put like a little dot of white glue on the back and then stick it on there. And you know what? I think I'm gonna draw on the other eye just to show you how to draw the eye. So you're gonna need a black marker. Yeah, black marker, and just go ahead and just get rid of that. Draw like this black dot on it. Right there, that black dot. And you know we're also gonna draw a circle around it so you know it's an eye. So yeah. That's how you draw it on. Now I don't like how it looks, so I'm gonna put the other googly eye on it. Like I said, you don't have to use googly eyes, you can draw it on like I did. But if you don't like it, you can, and you have googly eyes, you can always put googly eyes on top of it. So now we got 2 googly eyes. Next step is pipe cleaners. So what you're gonna do is grab a pipe cleaner and bend it in half, like this. And oops, be careful with the scissors. And okay, open it up and just cut it like that. So these will be the antenna. You only need one of these. All you really gotta do is where you made your holes, feed. His eye fell off, so we're just gonna ignore that. Pretend he's a one-eyed bug egg thing. So where you made your hole, you're just gonna want to put in the antenna like so. And then do the same thing on the other side, here like that. And yeah, look, antennas. We're gonna have them curved that way. Yeah, curve that way. Don't put too much pressure or else you'll rip the egg carton. So yeah, antenna. Just keep it like that. And now onto the legs. I think for the legs we're gonna do like this pink color right here. So again, fold it in half and cut it through the middle like that. And okay, so same thing with the antennas. Find the hole and put it in there. Now, kids, sometimes you might have to make the hole bigger, so that's when you grab your push pin and make the hole huge. Now I'm going to do the other side too. And let's try it one more time. So just put it in there. There we go. Run it through the bottom like so. And put it in through the other hole. It'll just go in. And oh wait, now you have 2 legs. Leave it like that. And we're gonna do the other legs right now. I'm gonna make those holes wider. Now we've done that, let's get the other legs in. So we're just gonna run it through here to the other side for easier access. Sometimes you might have to unfold it. So like that. Yeah, now I got the other legs. You can fold them however you want them to. And yeah, like that. So you got a bug, you know, leg, shell, antenna. His eyes went missing because his legs don't match his antenna. And oh yeah, his name is Blue. Yeah, Blue. And oh yeah, if you want to get more creative, you can always add like construction paper to it. Just like, I don't know, glue it on here or glue it on here like that. Maybe give it some hair or something.
All right, thanks for joining us for Home Crafts. We'll see you again.